We're currently in the ACA or Airborne Composites automation facility, and it's our 2025 customer days.
We have invited our clients, prospective clients, collaboration partners to give a bit of a view behind the curtain, what we're doing here at Airborne, and show everybody what our machines are capable of.
We invest a lot of effort and emotion in developing our solutions. So seeing so many people from such incredible companies join us to see our technology,
to network and to hear from some expert speakers who can share their experience in the composites world.
For me, it was interesting to see the APP machine for thermoplastics, and to see it running was very good.
Definitely to see the machines and the processes running in live for the first time.
For me, it was mainly to show what we did with Airborne as a partner. So that was my main objective, to support the company.
So the key takeaway for me is that we are quite ahead in the Netherlands on composite automation.
Everything was inspiring, and I took away a lot of ideas regarding process design. Particularly, I think the speed of the machines, the automation behind it, to understand what possibilities we as a company could have with a product from Airborne.
we are still a long way from where we eventually need to be. So everybody's super impressed with what we've got, but we have to keep investing, we have to keep developing, and that's going to be a hard work and challenge for all of us, but we will get there.
We had loads of attendees, and it was great to connect with a lot of new people. So I'm sure we'll stay in touch, and who knows what's going to come next.